This video is to show you how to use the POS in ERPNext. First step is to log in into your ERPNext application. Log in with your email and password. I set it to some of you already. So use your email and password to log in, and you will get into an interface like this. This is what you will see. Simply go to the top right corner. Click on your profile. You can switch to desk. You switch to desk, you see something like this. Now you go to the top right corner again. Click on user profile and click on POS. So you have the POS open. Here you can select the items and customers. If you don't have a default customer, you have to select one. Just scroll down and select appropriate customer. Now you can include any items on your cart. Just select the item that your customer want to purchase. You may even add discount. Say you want to give 5% discount. Just add it here, and the discount will be applied. Then you click checkout to make payment. Here you can write the amount given to you. If the person gave you 7,000, whatever amount, just select it and complete the order. That's it for now. Watch out for more step-by-step tutorials. Thank you.